Howdy, it's Arby and Leanne with AFkdays, and if you remember from our last video, we were exploring East Texas looking for the Texas Monthly Top 50 barbecue joints. We ended up at a Harvest Host just outside of Tyler, Texas. Good morning, we're here at Vale de la Pace Vineyard and Winery. We did the Harvest Host and stayed here last night. Had a very good time. We got here about 4 p.m. Sat out on the patio with Milo. Had tried all of their wines, which was 16 of them. That was a lot of fun. And then just kind of hung out on the patio after they closed for a little while, and then came back to the trailer. I think Leanne had plans for a really nice dinner, but we ended up doing microwave noodles. Don't judge, it was a good evening. We woke up this morning, moving a bit slow, getting ready to head south back towards the Austin area. We're just enjoying the peace and quiet of a vineyard. We stopped in Athens, Texas for Brahms. As being from Oklahoma, this is some good ice cream. Nothing against the ice cream that's in Texas, but when you go up on Brahms, nothing quite tastes like Brahms. And they have one here. So we got a couple of milkshakes and some fries, because we got more barbecue to try today. Taste of happiness. This is our 5th stop in a week, and we are getting full up on barbecue, but we will soldier on.
Today's theme in Waco is sandwiches. We're at Helberg Barbecue and we got a sliced brisket sandwich. Super friendly, and they even cut it in half for us. And it's sliced brisket on a brioche bun. And that looks pretty good.
I wouldn't mind coming back and having a full-on meal. The ambiance was pretty cool, and the pitmaster was very friendly, and they have 6 different types of meat. Yeah, good atmosphere inside, wooden tables and signs and sports paraphernalia all around. Yeah. One of the downsides of doing this is I get direction from Leanne about what to do. Also, I have to wait after we open the sandwich for her to get all the Instagram pictures before we can start eating. I don't think she understands that we've been driving for 2 hours and all I had today was a Brahms milkshake. Okay, some fries. Okay, a banana this morning. Okay, some coffee this morning. But that's all I've had.
If you'll cooperate and move out of my shot, it would go faster.
This is the artist at work.
Can you just stand up and move out of the way? Harvey's so hungry he gets to go first.
My off-camera stage direction was to say something insightful about the meat. This is really good brisket. Yeah, that's some good brisket. The bread helps a little bit, but there's no sauce on here, just pure meat and bread. Yeah, that's a good taste. Now to try it with the sauce. What I'm really trying to figure out as I chew is how I can talk Leanne out of her half of the sandwich.
And cut. It's really good. Brisket is moist. Very tender, good flavor. Really good sandwich. You don't really need barbecue sauce. Real good. I think we'll definitely come back and try some other things.
So here's another reason to stop in Waco. Barbecue. Give me barbecue. All right, this is our second stop of the day and our second sandwich of the day.
In Waco.
Waco.
This is the brisket melt sandwich. Just sliced brisket, cheddar cheese, caramelized onions, and an aioli on Texas toast.
We've recently realized that 50 barbecue joints inside of a year, that is a lot of meat, especially when we're hitting 2 and 3 places a day. So we're starting to change tactics a little bit. Unfortunately, it's just a sandwich. The Helberg, that was a really great place. I wish we had eaten something else. This was a great place. I wish we had eaten more, like a full-on meal, but alas, our stomachs just can't hack it.
Been looking forward to this.
Cheesy.
That's a very good sandwich. Combination of the brisket, cheese, onions, aioli. Very good. Definitely a different kind of barbecue sandwich than we typically get, but I like it.
Yeah. Cool. My turn. For the second time today, my list of things to stop and do in Waco has grown. The list now includes the Texas Rangers Museum, which you have to go to if you're anywhere related to Texas, to the Dr. Pepper Museum, 3 Helberg Barbecue, 4 Guest Family Barbecue. That is the list.